Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to effectively use basic filtering features in the SAP Business One web client to manage your data views efficiently and precisely. As always, we will use Sales Quotations as our example, but the same process works for many other table views as well, such as Invoices, Items, Business Partners, and more. To begin, please click the Sales tab in the page navigation. Now, please select the Sales Quotation tile to access the overview list. You now see the overview of all quotations. If you do not see this view yet, please watch the previous videos where you learned how to select default views. There are three kinds of filters. The first is the search bar, which is the most easy and searches through all fields. The second kind is drop-down filters, like status, for example, with values such as open and closed. The third kind of filtering is references to other tables, allowing advanced connections between data sets. To filter via the search bar, simply type in anything you want to search for, such as customer name, customer number, or customer reference. In our example, we search for Werner Richter, so we type WER. To execute the search, you either press Enter or press the Go button on the left side of the filter section. Now you see only the results containing anything with WER. In our case, there is only one quote to Werner Richter that matches the search input. If you want to reset this search, you can simply press the X inside of the search bar. The results have been reset and the content reloaded. Next, we focus on the drop-down filter. We use the example of the status. When we click on this, the options will be shown. We have the options to filter for open and closed sales quotations. We select the open ones by checking the checkbox in front of the status. It directly appears in the filter box. To apply the filters, we always have to press the Go button in the right corner to refresh the results shown in the table. In our case, all visible documents are open, which is why nothing has changed in the preview. To filter even more, we now focus on the customer code, also known as the customer number. To select the customers that shall be filtered, select the small icon on the left side of the search field. This works for all fields that contain this icon. There opens a card overlay, which is structured similarly to the category page. On the top, there is the filters section for this table. The bottom part contains the list of all business partners. This works exactly the same as the table in the category page, with checkboxes and the gear icon known from the previous video. For our example, we select the business partner code or business partner number C60000. To select the business partner, we check the checkbox before this business partner. We can see the selected items summarized at the bottom. Press OK to apply this selection to the filters on the category page. We now see the selected business partner codes on the filter field. To apply this filter to the table, press the known Go button on the filter section as we have used before. Now the filter has been applied to the table, and we only see the customers with this code. If you only know parts of the customer code, you can also use the asterisk symbol to create a pattern that replaces one or more missing inputs. In our example, we try *6* to search for every customer code that contains a 6, with one or more characters or numbers before or after. Press OK again to apply this filter. Now we see all the customer codes that match the pattern in the customer code field. Now we know how to search and use patterns. Remember, all the filters that are in the filter bar will always apply together. The next video shows how to extend the default filters, and the following videos contain how to save these views for reuse. We have successfully shown how to use basic filtering in SAP Business One web client, including search bar, drop-down filters like status, and references to other tables with patterns. This playlist covers more standard functions of the SAP Business One web client, so please watch the previous videos to understand the navigation and view concepts more fully. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, like this video if it was useful, and thank you for watching. Enjoy your experience.